What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. We are currently breaking our previous all-time high. Can you believe it? Super duper exciting. We're sitting at 220. We're up almost 17% on the day alone, guys. We're sitting at a market cap of 65.65 billion, 24-hour volume 5.18 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as cashback in crypto. It's my favorite app for investing. $25 just for signing up through my referral. Check this out, guys. We're currently breaking our previous all-time high. Absolutely incredible for Sol. We came right down to our first buy zone that I had dropped in here at $1.89. So shout out to everyone that bought that level of support. You're absolutely crushing it right now, and you're currently up basically 16% for Solana. Trading Solana and many of the alts has been an absolute dream over the last week or so, and will continue for the next couple months. So really exciting times. You can see here we've created a bull flag. It's quite a massive target here. If we measure our flag pull, can bring Solana all the way up, right up to the 1.272, sitting at 255. We're above the golden ratio, or above the 0.786. We're breaking our previous all-time high, and we're heading to the 1.272. So all our targets have been met. Our target from our descending broadening wedge met. Our target from our falling wedge has been met, guys. Our target from our inverse head and shoulders was met. That's the beautiful thing when you're in full swing, is all your bullish targets get met a good majority of the time. It's absolutely incredible. Very easy to trade with leverage, in my opinion. I've been absolutely crushing it. All right, guys. So we're breaking the all-time high. We're heading up to 255. If we come over to the daily time frame, we're not too overextended from the EMAs. Now, what we may see here is we break through. We see a back test of support of the previous all-time high before we see continuation. Because if we just blast straight through it here, what may happen as well is we pump straight through it, and then we come back and retest it as support before seeing continuation up to 255 here for Solana. But as of right now, we're looking really good. Really healthy for continuation, in my opinion. We have our massive bull flag. Your target's all the way up at about 290. And then we have the 1.618 sitting at about 315, 317 for Sol. And then you got the 2, which is coming in at about 406, and the 2.272, which I do believe Sol is going to make it to easily at 481. I think Sol has the chance of going in between 800 and 1,000 per coin, in my opinion. So strap in for the ride, guys. So that's basically it for Sol. Just keep an eye on the fact that we've broken the previous all-time high. We may see a back test of support. If we just continue to blast through it, that's when we can roll back and come back down to back test it as support before seeing continuation for Solana. Or what happens is we come up, we consolidate, and then we see continuation as well. I think it's going to be a very bullish, a very green, a very exciting week in the world of crypto. So as I've been saying, strap in for the ride and enjoy the journey. I'm so corny. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's a great way to stay ahead of the game, and it's the price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. You can sign up through the Patreon. Check out crypto.com, smash the like button. Check me out on Instagram if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.